How to use affiliate marketing for my business. The true reason. Hello and welcome to my video. My name is Bill Morrow and I'm here to give you an introduction and a good reason why you should be using affiliate marketing in your business. Now, because you've come onto this site, it means that you have been looking for something like this. So over the years, 9 years in fact, I have been doing exactly the same as you, hunting, trying to find the video marketing system which will work properly online. And would you believe, at last I have found it. I found it now and am going to introduce it to you. And this is what we got to do. Now, the true reason why affiliate marketing is the one thing that I am going after is simply because it is the best. There's no doubt about that. You can do e-commerce, you can do Amazon, you can do all sorts of things online, but affiliate marketing is one of the best to give you the better returns for the amount of effort that you put into it. Yes, every business you're going to set up does require effort, and there's no way that you're going to get away with just putting something on your screen and thinking it's going to do the magic for you. It won't. Every business you set up, no matter where it is, requires you to do the work to complete and get the answer that you're looking for. So a business online means exactly that. We have to work at it to get customers into the business, and the system will tell you exactly how to get the customers into the business. And by the same token, I am introducing you to the business, so therefore I am going to be here to support you in what you are doing in the business, to make sure that you progress through the system, and also to be able to get an answer, a final answer, and a business that runs. I have done it. I have gone through the system using this complete training, which is in video form. So all you got to do is you watch a video, it's explaining something to you, then you have to do what the video tells you. When you finish that, you go to the next video. If you get it wrong, check the video again, go back, correct what you've done, then proceed to the next video. If you carry on just watching everything and doing nothing, you end up with a big mess. Big mess of nothing. Because you're not building. The whole point here and the whole answer is to build a business online. And this is the true reason why I have used this to build my business online. And now I'm introducing you to do exactly the same thing. The process is very simple. You follow it, do what the actual video is telling you, then you progress on to the next one. And it's as simple as that. There's nothing complicated about it. It can be done all ages. All sorts of people can do this, as long as they have the will to do it. Now, you cannot set up a business and simply think it's going to run itself. Nothing does that. Any businessman who's out there, no matter how big or how small he is, they all start with the incentive to want to do it. So they got the will to actually set a business up. So now you, because you've been searching online here, have found this system, and I'm going to propose it to you and show you exactly how it works. Now, if you click on the link below, what you're going to get is you'll come onto my email list, and then from the email list I will give you 4 days of additional information. That is, I'll give you 4 emails with additional information all about the system. and how the system is working and how you can succeed, as I am, with this system. It's as simple as that. So go down below, click the link, and then we'll progress from there. It's as simple as that. So I will see you in the next stage. Bye for now.